Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run C program in Dev C++. So this code that's going to run using Dev C++. To download the software, in Google search box write there Dev C++, then go on this devcpp.com site. Click this. You have two options, purchase or download Dev C++ file. Let's click on this download. Then if you click this, then you can get here MinGW GCC, this compiler version. Or you can here, I'm choosing this Dev C++, only the ID. So let's click on this download only ID. Now you need to wait for a few seconds. So this here, the file is now downloading. Dev C++ no MinGW is now currently downloading. So this done here. Let's click on this show in folder. So this is the file. Now simply need to double click on this. Now thereafter click on yes button. Let's click on OK. English, that's fine. OK. I agree. Next. Install. And here yes. So this done here. I'm not going to launch this currently. Thereafter if I go on this command prompt, then if I write there GCC, so GCC is not recognized, then but you can see MinGW is already in my system. So going on this MinGW bin directory, you need to copy this location. Now let's click right there, edit system environment variable. Environment variable, then path, edit, new, paste, OK, OK, OK. This done. Now you can check there, right? Command prompt opening gccc --version. Then you can see this version is there. After that, let's launch the Dev C++ software. Now thereafter click on this next. So this parsing, click on this OK, then close. Thereafter the next is here file, new, source file. So or testing this code to add to number, paste there, Control S to save, giving the name add.c. This given, let's go on this tools, compiler option. So here you can see this, if I click on this plus, so not going to add there, here this is delete, this rename. Setting, so this you can see not going to change here. Let's go on this program. Here you can see GCC option. You may want to change the program files that are used. So let's click on this browse or this PC, then CW, MinGW, going to select there, bin, then here you can see GCC, click on this open. Now no need to change. Okay, then Control S to save. Now ready to go. Let's click on this compile run. So no error. Now let's enter 8, then 9. So without displaying output, it's gone there. So compilation successful, there is no any problem. So we need to include one line of code there. We need to include system pause, and here before return we need to paste this. Control S to save. Now let's click on this compile term. Now let's enter 9615, that's displaying. So this is how we can here run this C program inside the dev C++. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.